Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to move anchor point in Photoshop or anything. Okay. Now see this step one. Now see this shape. Hold Control and see this show anchor point. Hold Control. Select anchor point. Now see this. Move anchor point. Okay. And another way to remove anchor point. Right click on your mouse, delete anchor point, and see this move anchor point for pen tool. Hold Control and select anchor point. Okay. Hold Control, select anywhere, then show anchor point and move. Hold Control. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.